How much RAM is required? What is RAM? Does having more RAM benefits you? How to compensate low RAM? Well, as you all know, this video is about RAM. I am Titan, you're watching Tec ASAP. Let's begin. First of all, what is RAM? Random access memory or RAM is a kind of computer memory that can be read and written into in any order that is used to store the working data and machine code. It is the fastest memory except cache. Then the question comes, what does it do? Can't we use secondary storage devices for this? RAM enables the computer to read, process and write the data at high speeds irrespective of their original memory location, hence reducing the processing time. And if you use secondary storage device instead of RAM, the PC will be sloppy or some programs won't even run. Just consider waiting for few minutes to load the next frame of a movie that you're watching. That would be funny. RAM has taken form of integrated circuits with MOS memory cells. And if you want dedicated video on this, you know what to do. RAM is normally associated with volatile kind of memory. That means the stored data will be lost if the power is removed. So better you save your unsaved progress in your game before your mom pulls the plug. Well, there are two types of RAM. Static RAM with low access time and dynamic RAM with high capacity. Static RAM uses transistors and latches. Basically a device that has two stable state. That means it can store a bit of data. While DRAM uses capacitors, few transistors or ICs. That means it can store more data. But static RAM is more costlier and need a constant power supply. There will be a dedicated video on power supply, so get subscribed. Whereas DRAM is less expensive and using capacitors makes it more power efficient. Static RAM is used in cache memory, which I have already explained in another video. Whereas DRAM is kept attached to the motherboard or is slotted onto the motherboard as RAM sticks. So you might ask, Titan, how much RAM is enough? For that I would say it is the wrong question to ask. Instead, you have to know when to upgrade your RAM. If I say 8GB is the minimum and you are watching the video after a few years, it will be irrelevant. So you will find the recommended RAM and minimum RAM in the description. Then the question arises, what can be done as quick fix? You can like the video, or there is something called as virtual memory. It works on Windows, Linux as well as Mac OS. But it is not recommended though. You will get link related to this in the description. Note that upgrading RAM is the easiest upgrade possible. If you found the video interesting, share the video and watch our other videos. Thank you for watching.